What's good, YouTube? It's the boy back with another video. Today we got the first night drive POV, and I'm doing this with the phone because the GoPro, well, first I don't have it right now, and then second, the GoPro is like I gotta figure it all the way out. But this is the first night drive, and as you see, window's pretty tinted for real. You can't even see nothing. But windshield is not tinted, which I'm gonna work on. But right now we're on the way home. I'm gonna give y'all a little 60 roll right quick. Alright, you little whore. Yo, I love this car. These shifts are just crazy. Y'all don't understand how bad I want a ZL1, bro. Like, that's like something I want so bad. Like, whoa, glad I'm not going that way. Y'all see that? That's crazy. But, oh, suck it. Well, I do. ZL1, I need to get a vision board. I need to manifest it. Some of y'all might not believe in that, but even if it's not believing in manifesting, I believe in speaking stuff into existence. So we're going to speak that into existence because that's literally my dream car. Like, that's... I gotta have it. I don't care if it's a regular ZL1. I don't care if it's ZL1 1LE. I need it. And that's where we're gonna start. And if people are really watching this, which I hope so, that's where we're gonna get the best content with a ZL1. Cause ain't nothing better than a supercharged motor. Unless it's crazy, naturally aspirated. Oh my gosh, what is up with the traffic tonight? It is 11:28. They do be working on the roads at night though, but this is absurd. Let's see if we can get a little pop when we shift it. Little itty bitty pops. Oh man. Now, one of my friends did just order a head mount for his phone, which I might do because until I figure out this GoPro problem, we might have to do that because this is crazy. Like, it's too bright, which I don't like, and I don't want to just post that and it be bad. So we're gonna work on it. I don't know what kind of car this is behind me, but they getting close as hell. Look like a Tahoe. Ran into this much traffic on the way home. You should have took me the way I came the first time. Did I just go all around all of that just to get back right here? I mean, it's cool. It's cool. We got a little Mustang right there. I gotta get my brakes changed ASAP. Switch lanes. Alright, bro. You see, I gotta get right here. I ain't got no choice. So hit the brakes, little boy. If y'all see my blinker light blinking and ain't no sound, it's because I got some subs and this shit just fucks it all up. Damn, where I gotta go is closed. Well, look like we gotta go all the way around. Well, thanks to Georgia, y'all get a whole longer video. Okay, that Mustang hitting it. Dang, he cutting up. I do not like driving with one hand. I gotta get this phone out ASAP. Oh, I gotta get over here. About Camaros, you can take these, I'm not going fast, but you can take these turns so fast, bro. I'll give y'all a little pull on from the 40 right here. Let's roll the window down. Oh, nope, I lied. Oh, I see the cop right there too. Boy. Yo. That's crazy. I just saw the cop. Explorer. Bro, what are you doing, bro? Just think about the go. He got to go on the wrong side of the road. What is he doing? He's on the wrong side of the road, bro. Oh, no, he not. I'm tripping. Yeah, they got to fix this. I ain't gonna cap. What the fuck is... Bro, they got too much going on. Oh my gosh, this is why I hate Atlanta. They got you going on the wrong side of the road to go the right way. That don't even make sense. They need to they need to fix that, bro. Cause I thought he was going the wrong way. He thought he was going the wrong way. Bro, what you doing, bro? The light green. Now, if this video gets, you know, my videos just starting out on this car channel. But if y'all want to see me drive an SRT Jeep, let me know. Because I'm not going to lie, I mess with the SRT Jeeps. I got a friend with one. I got two friends with a Trackhawk. Some cats. All that. I need to drive a ZL1. That is my dream car, and I've never driven one. That'd be crazy if I got it and I didn't even like it. That would be absolutely crazy. I want to drive with the windows down, see how I feel. Hold on, we got a little radar detection. Let's put it down right quick. I don't know where it's at. I don't see it. It's still going off. Okay, little pops. I don't see it, so oh, it's getting hotter. Let's put it down. I think that's it right there. Is that it? Nah, that ain't it. I don't know where it's at. But I ain't taking no chances. So y'all can see. It says 9. Where? Oh, right here. It's not even on though. Oh, it is on. See, this is a cheap radar detector too. This joint was $100 from AutoZone. All right, this a little empty road. Y'all ready? Now, see, I would give y'all a good pull, but really can't because cops be popping up out of nowhere over here or everywhere in Georgia for real. See, look at that. That might be another one of them things though. why is it so many of these things? Okay, I couldn't see for a second. See, bro, I be seeing these Ford Explorers and I do not be trusting them, bro. If you bought a Ford Explorer, you need some help. Now, see, you could get away with the Tahoes. Or if you buy a V6 silver Charger, bro, see, it's another little radar. This one ain't even going off. But if you buy like a silver V6 Charger or a retired police car, bro, you just the op. Like, for real. Like, it's no reason to be buying. Oh my gosh, that house is crazy. That's crazy. Oh my gosh, what's up? Y'all probably can't even see that. Now, I'm gonna roll the window up because I don't know if it's messing up the footage. Damn. Yeah, if y'all want to see me like go drive on some back roads, like some canyon running, I'm in Georgia, but I'm sure it's some road somewhere soon like that. It ain't finna be no Tennessee curves and none of that, but we might can find something to do some canyon runs, and I got a bunch of friends we could probably do it with. But they not in no track cars. They on some drag strip cars. Almost everybody I be around with, they all got Chargers or Trackhawks. Or not even Trackhawks, Jeeps. Jeeps and Chargers for real. Oh man. Except Eliante. Eliante got a Mustang, but you know how they be at curves and stuff, so I don't know if it's the best idea for him to go. Alright, it's quiet over here. We finna make some noise. I'm sorry, people. But everybody gotta grind somehow. And I done tried 15 different channels, so. Oh, that was we in a little neighborhood. I ain't gonna go too crazy. Gotta be respectful to the people. Cause when I'm old, there probably ain't gonna be no loud cars. Everything gonna be electric. Y'all hear them pops? Oh my gosh, I hope y'all can hear those, bro. Shit is ridiculous. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna get y'all a video of me doing like a launch in this. I'm gonna even do like no traction with warm tires. I'm gonna do traction. I'm gonna do everything for real. Spun a little bit. You know, oh man, oh, this them smart roundabouts. You don't gotta pay it, or you don't really gotta look for it. Oh, we on the highway. I know some cops be hiding on these little exit ramps sometimes. Damn, Mercedes. We just gonna stay in automatic. I ain't gonna cap. We almost at 80,000 miles, bro. I love this car to death. I'm not gonna lie, I'm probably not gonna get rid of this car until I can get a Z01, unless something happens to this car, God forbid. But I don't think I can go to anything slower, honestly. Scats out of the picture, slow as hell. What else? That's about it. Cat, Z01, that's it. And I don't even mess with the cats, but I don't even mess with the cats, but it's like I like a cat. I'm not gonna lie. I like a cat, but it's not my first choice. First choice is definitely a Z01. because Camaro has been my dream car. Now it's like, I love the Camaro so much. Plus, I got the 1SS. You see, these lights right here don't change. I can't change those. You gotta get over it. I can't change those. I got the cloth seats, all that. So I got a 1SS. So even if I went up to a 2SS, which I wouldn't unless I couldn't keep this car, but I couldn't afford a ZL1, I would get a 2SS. And that'd still be an upgrade because, like, the interior, it'll be an interior upgrade. It won't be a like an engine upgrade unless I bought one that was full bolts on. But it would be a 10-speed, so. But I'm telling you, I'm going for that ZL1. Alright, y'all. Well, this is where I'm going to go ahead and end the video. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe. If you want some more POVs, which I don't care if you do or not, I'm going to post them regardless. So, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And I'm going to catch y'all. I'm going to try to post daily, honestly. Which it shouldn't be too hard. Because if I just drive somewhere, I can just record me driving. So, I'm going to catch y'all in the next video. And I'm out of here.